Hello and welcome to NutriVibe, your trusted source for healthy living, smart nutrition, and wellness tips. Did you know some foods can help keep your arteries healthy? Here are 7 foods that support heart health naturally. Number 1. Salmon rich in omega-3 fatty acids that support heart health. Number 2. Avocados contain healthy fats that can help maintain healthy cholesterol levels. Number 3. Walnuts packed with healthy fats and antioxidants. Number 4. Oats high in soluble fiber, which supports healthy cholesterol. Number 5. Spinach rich in nitrates and vitamins that support blood vessel function. Number 6. Berries loaded with antioxidants that help protect cells. 7. Olive oil, a heart-friendly fat commonly used in healthy diets. If you enjoy our content, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest health videos.